So guys, for the first step, you want to go to search and type in device manager. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to expand network adapters. Now you want to find your network adapter. You want to right click on it and then click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. Make sure that you have the best drivers for your device installed. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in troubleshoot settings. Click on it. And now once you're on this, you want to click on other troubleshooters. And now you want to find network and internet. Click on run. And now this will come up, the network and internet troubleshooter. If it detects anything, it will try to fix it for you. See if that works. For the next step, you want to go to search and type in CMD. Now you want to run it as administrator. And then click on yes. And now once you're on this, you want to type in sfc /scan now and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan. Wait for this to load. I'm going to skip the video to when the scan will be fully completed. And now once that's been done, now you want to type in DISM /online /cleanup -image /restore health and then click on enter. And you want to run this scan as well. Wait for this to load. Once you complete both those scans, for the last step, you want to restart your computer and then the problem should be fixed.